Hello guys, welcome back to another video of the Subway Surf. Yeah, we have the challenge right here. Let's see what is the challenge. Oh man, wow, this is quite nice. Okay, what he's doing, the one who is following me, I think he's insane and he thought that he is underwater, so he's carrying something. Yeah, I did miss that. Yeah, okay guys, recently explored the many other games. Yeah, you can see in my channel like Minecraft, Free Fire, and I'm thinking about to explore the PUBG one. If you're interested, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, this is what the no ground challenge. Let's see what happens. Wow, this is quite nice. This is what you have advantages about this thing. Yeah, it's just collapsing. Quite good. Let's enter below. Chat's time. Yeah, we are playing a normal regular game. Okay. Here we are with. Okay, let's collect that too. Oh, I just forgot about that. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, I didn't even notice that. Before on the previous game I have got just lost because of that. I didn't notice that, and that's the first time I have encountered that part. That's the reason I didn't see. Oh man, I missed that. That's a great miss. Okay, here I am with. Oh man, that's quite getting through my nerves. This blinking and shutting down are making me. Oh god, I didn't even notice that. That's the reason, guys. Actually, complete concentration will be shifted to the train rails. That's the reason we can't make a guess, even odd guess, even you can't see the normal things. I'm so sorry about that. Oh man, that's quite difficult. Yeah, this is quite difficult. Oh man, don't make me like that. Yeah, I can have that emergency landing too. Okay, I didn't even notice that. Okay, this is quite even tough. Yeah, I'm in the verge of coming that. Okay, they were actually waiting for us, but okay, please let's take. Oh shit! I'm with complete happy. Okay, guys, that is the okay. Yeah, it was quite good. Yeah, this high score. Okay, let's come back. Okay, guys, we just entered the normal level. Yeah, I'm talking about what are the things I have. Okay, claim. Yeah, I got these rewards. Okay, impressive. This event too. Okay, this event too. Climb this. Okay, I don't want right now. Let's see what are the events. So bundle offer. Okay, what should I do? Reach score multiplier 8 to unlock. Okay, where I am now? Okay, here I am. How to get into the 8th one? Yeah, I didn't even know that. Okay, these are the things. Okay, I'm just connecting now. Oh my god, these are the rewards I have actually forgotten, and here these are. Just getting back. Yeah, here I am. Okay guys, and forget, yeah, what I'm talking about. Yeah, the other games have been explored right in my channel. Yeah, there are the many other games. Even the mob, the I think it's a clash mob. Okay, that's quite good. Yeah, and the gun is completely explored right now. You can visit my channel and get to see what is there. Okay guys, let's end this video here and I will meet you in the next one. Please don't forget to watch other games I have explored, and even the Subway Surf, what's the game? Hill Climb Racing. I have got into the top levels of the stages and top levels of the vehicles. That was insane. Actually, I got many other things. Yeah, you must watch. Yeah, that's the thing. And please, I'm not requesting you to subscribe. Just watch the things and explore the games. That is the thing only I needed to, and that is the theme of my channel. And please stay enthusiastic about the new games and love the games. At the present situation, I am with the characters and qualities. Okay, please, if you are interested, just subscribe and other new games will be explored. And I will meet you in the next one. Tada, bye bye.